Hello, Jesse. How are you?
I am fine. And what about you?
I am also fine. But I see you look somewhat depressed.
You are right. I am a little tense about my final exam. It is knocking at the door, but I cannot manage time to study properly.
Oh, I see. Don't you follow a routine?
No, I do not. But I want to maintain a routine life as I waste my time doing unnecessary things.
Strange, indeed. You should follow a routine to use your time properly.
Please suggest to me some ways about the proper use of time.
Don't feel depressed. There is still a lot of time left to complete your studies.
Oh, your words make me hopeful. But how it would be possible?
Yes, it is possible only if you don't waste any more time. You have to make a routine from now and follow it strictly.
It is okay. I'll do that. But how long should I spend reading every day?
It is a good question. I think, at this stage, you should study for at least 8 hours every day.
Now I can realize the importance of regular study and the proper use of time. Thank you very much for your suggestions.
Thank you very much for your realization. Hope you will work as per your routine to overcome the loss you have made.
Yes, of course. You are most welcome.
Bye now. See you later.